Today, we will learn the long division to get 0 in the quotient. Observe the below example. Many students solve like this, but this is completely wrong. Today, let us learn the correct approach. Let us solve the same question by applying the rules. Let us apply rule 1. Take the digits from the left of the dividend until the number is greater than or equal to the divisor. Then divide. In this case, consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 7. The number considered 7 is equal to the divisor 7. So divide. 7 ones are 7. So you will get 0 as the remainder. Now rule 1 is complete. In this case, rule 2 is not applicable because 70 is not a decimal. Before going to rule 3, check whether any digits are available in the dividend to bring down. In this case, the digit is available. Let us apply rule 3. When digits are available, bring down the next digit from the dividend. In this case, bring down 0. Now, rule 3 is complete. Before going to rule 4, check whether the number is greater than or equal to the divisor. In this case, the number is 0, which is less than the divisor 7. Let us apply rule 4. If the number is less than the divisor, write 0 in the quotient, then multiply the divisor by 0 and subtract 0 from the remainder. So, 7 zeros are 0. You will get 0 again as the remainder and 10 as the quotient. Now, rule 4 is complete. Also, the division is complete because no more digits of the dividend are left to bring down and the remainder is 0. Got it? Observe, this is the incorrect approach and this is the correct approach to solve this problem. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of long division and divisibility rules, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist from beginning to end.